if you want to pin it here, you can temporarily.
Okay.
But the thing with this, ladies, I want to tell you guys as well. The difference with, you see the kind of sequin that Deb has, that's considered mesh sequin. You see how it moves a little more, is a lot softer. This sequin, although this is really good sequin, it's from CV Linens, but is not as durable. It's on taffeta, meaning it's harder to manipulate. So if you guys are going to invest in some sequin and you want it to drape that way, don't get this. The only time you would get this sequin is if you want it to be a panel and you don't want to see through. Like if you use that as a panel, you're going to see straight through it because it's mesh. If you use this as a panel, you won't because it's opaque. Y'all got it? Okay.
I got it about the middle. Does it seem like it?
Yeah, it don't have to be perfect because the access is going to go to the back.
Okay.
So once you just kind of put it up there, get yourself a safety pin. Pin it in there and just hook it there. And the only goal right now is to just secure your drape up until you get this secured on the other side. Yeah. Now you go